Good morning, students. Class 9 Physics, chapter number 2, Numericals, and numerical number 1. A train moves with a uniform velocity of 36 km per hour. Numerical number 1. Velocity is equal to 36 kilometer per hour. First of all, we convert this value into meter per second. For this, 36 multiplied with 1000 and divided by 3600. Double zero cancelled with double zero. 36 cancelled with 36. So velocity is equal to 10 meter per second. For 10 seconds, time is equal to 10 seconds. Find the distance traveled by it. Distance is equal to question mark. Velocity 36 km per hour. First of all, we convert it into meter per second. Time is equal to 10 and distance is equal to question mark. Now we will use formula. S is equal to Vt. Putting values of V and T. S is equal to V10, T10. 10 multiplied with 10, answer will be 100 meter. Answer. Okay, students. Numerical number 2. Second numerical. A train starts from rest. Initial velocity is equal to 0 meter per second. If a train starts from rest, then its initial velocity will be 0. It moves through 1 kilometer. Distance 1 kilometer. First of all, we convert kilometer into meter. So 1 multiplied with 1000. Answer should be 1000 meter. In 100 seconds, time is equal to 100 seconds. With uniform acceleration, what will be its speed? Initial velocity is 0, so we have to find final velocity. Vf is equal to question mark. Here we use second equation of motion in order to find acceleration. So formula is S is equal to Vit plus half At square. Formula. Now we will find acceleration. So putting values in place of S, we can write 1000. Vi is equal to 0. T is equal to 100. Again T is equal to 100 square. 1000 is equal to, when 0 multiplied with 100, it becomes 0. 1 over 2 into 8. 100 square is equal to 10,000. When 10,000 divided by 2, answer should be 5,000. 1000 is equal to 5,000 A. 5,000 multiplied with A, when it goes to left hand side, it will be divided. A is equal to 1000 over 5,000. 3 zeros cancelled with 3 zero. Acceleration is equal to 1 over 5 meter per second square. We have to find final velocity. For this, we can use first equation of motion. First equation of motion is Vf is equal to Vi plus At. Putting values, Vi 0, acceleration 1 over 5, time 100. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. Vf is equal to 20 meter per second. Answer 20 meter per second. Okay students, numerical number 3. Third numerical, a car has a velocity of 100 meter per second. Initial velocity 10 meter per second. A car has a velocity of 10 meter per second. It accelerates at 0.2 meter per second square. Acceleration is equal to 0.2 meter per second square for half minute. Time is equal to half minute. We convert this value into seconds. 1 over 2 multiplied with 60. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. So it becomes 30 seconds. Find the distance traveled. S is equal to question mark. During this time and final velocity, we also find its final velocity. First of all, we use second equation of motion. You know S is equal to VIT plus half AT square. By putting values, VI is equal to 10, T is equal to 30, acceleration is equal to 0.2 and T is equal to 30 square. When 10 multiplied with 30, answer will be 300. Now we'll use calculator. 30 square is equal to 900. 900 multiplied with 0.2 and divided by 2. Answer is 90. When 300 plus 90, answer will be 390 meter. S is equal to 390 meter. Now we use first equation of motion to find the value of Vf. Vf is equal to Vi plus At. Putting values, Vi is equal to 10, A is equal to 0.2 and time is equal to 30. 0.2 into 30 is equal to 6. 10 plus 6 is equal to 16 meter per second. Distance 390 and final velocity is equal to 16 meter per second. Okay students.